How to restrict someone on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. Click on three lines at the top right. Then click on Friends at the bottom or click on Find Friends. After you click on Find Friends, you will find all the list of your friends. Simply click on the person you want to restrict from your friends list. After you click on their profile, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Friends, hold on to it, and you'll find all these options pop up at the bottom. Click on Edit Friends List, which is the last option. After you click on Edit Friends List, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Restricted at the bottom. Make sure there's tick mark and then press on Done located at top right and you're good to go. This is how to restrict someone on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.